When installing your new Brother toner, you may find your printer displays one of the following error messages. With Brother consumables, you need to reset the count so the printer knows you've put in a new cartridge. It doesn't detect this automatically. In this video, we'll cover how to fix this for your machine. With your cartridge installed, open the cover where you access the cartridges. With the cover open, press the back and the cancel buttons at the same time, and then press back again. This will bring up the reset menu. Press the down arrow to scroll through and find the toner you wish to reset. The first part refers to the color, TNR for toner, and the last part is the capacity, STD is standard, and HC is high capacity. Press OK and the up arrow to reset. Once the screen shows accepted, the cover can be closed and your printer should now be ready to use.